Welcome back to the Logic Unlock, the place where programming begins. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe the channel to know more about competitive programming. Do you ever dream to win a gold medal in CodeJam, ICPC, or IOI and to win a huge reward of $20,000? Then this video is for you. Winning these competitions requires a lot of skills and much of the logic building abilities. You must be very aware of how to solve the problem and how to approach the problem. But before we approach or solve any problem, we must be very good in data structures and algorithms. But lot of people are confused which book should we use in order to master our data structures and algorithm. So don't worry, this video is for you. Stay in touch and watch the video till the end so that you can come to know what are the best books we can use in competitive programming. Introduction to Algorithm is considered as a Bible of competitive programming. It has all the deep concept of data structures and algorithm, which can also be useful for the beginner level programmer. It has all the deep concepts as well as all the advanced as well as the basics topics of data structures and algorithm. If we talk about the features of this book, then this book has every chapters are well organized and it is also useful for the self-studies. Pseudocodes are written so neatly which can easily be readable for the beginner level programmers. It also has all the mathematical algorithms which is really needed to master the competitive programming. Competitive Programming 3 is a hardcore competitive programming book especially designed for IOI as well as the ICPC. It is the must-have book for every competitive programmer. From ordinary coder to the world's best competitive programmer, mastering the content of this book is really necessary. If you talk about the feature of this book gives a strong lower bound of problem solving abilities. It covers wide variety of problems which can be solved using the online judge compiler. It also helps to masterpiece to guide any passionate algorithmic problem solver. So every competitive programmer should buy this book. Guide to Competitive Programming is very handy book which we also call a reference for competitive programming. Do note that this book is not for the programmers who are at beginner level. They must be familiar with any programming language as well as some of the data structures. This book gives a short summaries of all the data structures and it also helps how to write the code very fast as well as neatly. So it is also one of the best book which can be used in your competitive programming journey. Do check this book in order to know more about this book. Algorithm Design Manual, it is one of the classic books which has the mastery behind designing and analysis of algorithm. It helps how to design and analyze the algorithm, how to optimize your algorithms and how to find a best possible solution for a given problem. This book also has wide variety of links with the best algorithm implementation available in various languages such as C++ and Java. So this book is considered as the best book for designing and optimizing your algorithm so that it can help you to developing the most optimized algorithm. So this is also the best book that you can go with. So these were the all 4 books that are really necessary in your competitive programming. In our channel Logic Unlock, we will talk about competitive programming, interview approaches and behind the scene of logic building. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel to take your journey of competitive programming in the masterpiece. Signing off, till then have a happy coding.